G'day viewers, and thanks for watching. Today's video is about the Shelly2LED, which is a 2-channel 40-watt dimmable LED controller. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have set up 2 cheap 10-watt LED downlights per channel. Wiring of the device is pretty simple. You have mains power coming in, which is load and neutral. You have DC power going out to the LEDs with one common power rail and a ground rail for each channel. You also have Gpio 0 and ground, which can be used as a switch that toggles the state of each channel. So on our desktop we have the Shelly2 webpage, which runs directly off the device. We have a integration into HomeSeer for channel 1 of the device, and this is for demonstration only. And we have my Mqtt logger, as I've set the device to run local Wi-Fi Mqtt rather than using Shelly.Cloud. If we go to the Shelly web page, we can turn on channel 1 just by clicking the on button, and it will turn on to the current dimmed level, and we can also adjust the dimming level. We can turn on channel 2 and it turns on channel 2. If we go over to the toggle LEDs and simply trigger that, it will toggle both channels on and off. The Gpio toggle function toggles each individual channel. For example, if we have channel 1 turned on and channel 2 turned off, when you toggle via Gpio 0, it will turn channel 1 off and channel 2 on. There are some current issues with the Mqtt status reporting. If you change the dimming level while the channel is turned on, it does not send out an updated status of that dimming level to allow the GUI to update. For example, on the HomeSeer control, with the light turned off, if I change the dimming level down, it turns the lights on and reports back the dimming level. If I then change the dimming level while the device's channel is turned on, it does change the dimming level but does not report the status level back until you turn the channel off. This has been reported to Shelly, and they are going to look at it for us. I've also asked Shelly if they can put in a command which will set the value for both channels at the same time, and they've come back to me and said that they will look at it. My final summary for this device at 25 euros, so that's nearly 30 US dollars and nearly 40 Australian dollars. I think they are value for money, and I have gone ahead and ordered enough of them to do all the LEDs in my house. I have also ordered enough Shelly 1s and Shelly 2s to complete the installation of every light in my house, removing all my Z-Wave devices. The integration into the Mqtt plugin for HomeSeer was fairly straightforward, so I imagine for those of you who are using Home Assistant, it will be even easier. As for getting Tasmota onto this device does run a standard ESP8266, which will take the Tasmota firmware. However, the device uses a secondary microcontroller to control the actual lights, and Tasmota cannot currently communicate with this secondary controller. I have spoken to Shelly about this, and they are going to release the library that they wrote to talk to the secondary controller. However, The library is written for the Mongoose OS, and we are not sure if it will run in the Arduino development software. If it does run in the Arduino development software, then we should be able to write an interface for Tasmotor. That's it for this video. As usual, please like and subscribe, and I will do another video on this device once I have them mounted in the ceiling. Thanks for watching.